Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will have a look at the computer name on Windows 11. Maybe Windows automatically named your PC and you want to make it more identifiable. It's quick and easy. After that, we'll also see how to rename our user accounts. We have the page where we can rename our PC open. I'm going to close it and start from scratch. You need to right click on the Start button, and after that left click on System. Over here we have our computer name. It's currently John. To rename it, just left click on this button on the right that says rename this PC. We will be asked to enter a new name. I'm gonna call it Gabriel, and then when you're ready, left click on next. And that's it. After you restart your device, the PC will have the new name. I'm gonna restart later and close this window. To rename your user accounts, left click in the search bar over here and type in Control and left click on Control Panel. Maybe you know this from the older versions of Windows. In here, just left click on User Accounts at the top right, or if your view is set to icons, for example large icons, just look for the user accounts in this list over here. It took a second to find it. And now you want to left click on Manage Another Account over here to see all your user accounts, and if you left click on them, you will be able to select them, and the option to change the account name is just here on the top. So I'm just gonna rename it to Andre without number 2, and when you're ready, left click on change name, and that's it. We have a new name, but it will only update after we log off. If you want to manage another account, you can left click over here on the link and just left click on the account you want to change the name for, and here you can again left click to change the account name. So I'm gonna name it to Gabriel without the number 2, and when you're ready, left click on change name again, and that's it. Okay guys, this is in short how to change your computer name and rename your user accounts. I hope this information helps you. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe for future tips.